Welcome to Wednesday Pet. I bet you haven't seen these amigurumus. More than subscribe at Wednesday Pet.
What is reverse cough problem? The reverse cough is a common term used to describe a respiratory condition in dogs known as tracheal collapse. This is a condition where the trachea, which is the tube that carries air from the nose and mouth to the lungs, becomes weak and collapses, making it difficult for the dog to breathe properly. When a dog with tracheal collapse coughs, it may sound like a reverse sneeze or a honking sound. This coughing can be triggered by various factors such as excitement, exercise, or pressure on the tracheae, e.g. from a collar. Other signs of tracheal collapse in dog include difficulty breathing, wheezing, and exercise intolerance. Tracheal collapse can be managed through various approaches, including weight management, avoiding triggers that lead to coughing, using a harness instead of a collar, and medications to help reduce inflammation and improve breathing. It is important to work closely with your veterinarian to develop an appropriate treatment plan for your dog. A common remedy is to hold the dog's nostrils closed for a second and lightly massage its throat to calm him. Lightly blowing in his face may also help. This should cause the dog to swallow a couple of times, which will usually stop the spasm of the reverse sneeze. Getting the dog in a cool area or outside with fresh air while trying to verbally calm him can also be useful. Most dogs do not require medication, however, some veterinarians recommend antihistamines if the problem is serious, chronic, and allergy-related. An evaluation of the environment would also be helpful in determining possible causes of these events. Perfumes, carpet cleaners, etc. are often cited in these dogs' histories.
If you'd like to see a specific dog breed or type of video, then please let me know in the comments. Thanks and enjoy watching.